Whether it's that bathroom shower that's always ankle deep in water, a kitchen sink that just won't drain, or that old septic letting out all kinds of smells, a drainage clog is one thing you are bound to experience at one point or another. And the Association of Plumbers only knows this too well. Luckily, we now have modern-day drain cleaners to save you from the trouble. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best drain cleaners you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Before we started, I have a question for you. Which drain cleaners are you using right now? And what is your opinion on them? Let me know in the comments. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. BioClean Drain Septic Bacteria. A great product to get rid of clogs in your plumbing system is this one from BioClean. It comes in a 2-pound can and can be used for as many as 100 drain treatments. Also, this is another eco-friendly alternative to the harmful chemical drain cleaners. Irregular maintenance of plumbing systems often leads to accumulation of large amounts of organic waste. In such cases, this product from BioClean can be an ideal cleaner to go for. It contains a special combination of enzymes and natural bacteria which specifically digests dead organic waste. While the enzyme breaks the clogging material at first, the bacteria then acts to remove it completely. Using the product once a month will make sure that all organic waste is regularly removed from the pipelines and drains. It restores drain flow to the full capacity by spreading through the whole plumbing system. Pros: specifically digests organic waste, doesn't produce boiling, fumes, or heat, doesn't have any effect on plastic. Cons: removing bad clogs might take longer. Number 4. Green Gobbler BioFlow Strips. Our next pick is this pack of drain cleaning strips from Green Gobbler. These strips function in a unique way to remove waste materials from drains and are also quite simple to use. Each pack comes with 12 cleaning strips. This product is also useful in eliminating grease, scum, and oil from the drains. Powerful but slow-dissolving enzymes present in the formula act strongly against all the gunk stuck inside the drains. Just drop a strip in the drain and it will start working within minutes. Also, these cleaning strips are designed in such a way that they can be used in any household drain. So, be it a clog in the bathtub drain or that in an old pipeline from a utility sink, these strips will take care of it all. They are also safe for use in septic systems. Pros: safe for use on all pipes, has slow dissolving yet powerful enzymes, super easy to use, removes foul odor. Cons: inhaling fumes of sticks might cause health problems. Number 3. Drano Max Gel Clog Remover. The Drano Max Gel Clog Remover is a top seller and household name in the world of clog removers. This may have something to do with its cool name and dangerous looking container, but it's more because of just how effective it is in getting rid of clogs. By using its thick bleach formula, the remover is able to cut through the water and cling to even the toughest clogs. It then blasts it down to size so it can flow easily down the drain. Due to its aggressive nature, the remover works well with even tougher gunky clogs and soap scum, as well as the organic ones like hair and paper. Despite this, the Drano is still safe for use in garbage disposals, kitchen, bathroom, laundry sinks, and other drains. Pros: get the job done quickly. You get a pretty large bottle for the price. Cool looking bottle, catchy name. Cons: the bottle is opaque. Number 2. Professor Amos Drain Cleaner. Having sold over 2 million bottles worldwide, Professor Amos Superfast 2-pack -32 ounces drain cleaner and drain opener liquid rightly secures its spot on the list. Here to save you from all the smelly drain pipes, Professor Amos comes fully equipped with all the features to back its credibility. For starters is its commercial strength formula, which works as superfast as its name suggests to get rid of any organic clog material in mere minutes. It literally melts the hair down to a soluble state. Another great thing about the opener is that it is fully liquid in nature, which means it is extremely easy and convenient to use. The drain cleaner is also designed to save as much of your money as possible, and we are not just talking about the expensive plumbing costs, but rather the fact that it comes as 2 large-sized containers, which, for the price, should serve you for a really long time. Pros: convenient and easy to use. Cost-friendly. Works quite fast. Cons: you might need to pour a larger quantity down for it to work. Number 1. Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver. The Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver is a household name for a couple of reasons. 1. Because it's been around for a while, therefore gaining the trust of many, and secondly, because of its incredibly quick ability to gobble up clogs. With its highly effective, ultra-thick formula, the unit easily liquefies anything organic stuck in its path, which includes all the hair, grease, soap scum, and paper clogging your pipes. The clog dissolver is fast in operation, working within minutes, and easy to use too. In fact, all you need to do is pour it down your drain, and let it do the work for you. Its container is even split into pre-measured halves, so you can control your usage to the appropriate amounts. The Green Gobbler also prides itself in its enzymatic formula, which is proven to be safer than other drain openers like sodium hydroxide, and it has no residual odors. Pros: works pretty quickly. Easy application process. Highly effective on organic clogs. Cons: the bottle comes in small quantities. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.